starting off by drawing a line segment perpendicular to WX. Well, they've been so kind to throw a protractor on there for us, so we don't even need a real one for this job. So WX is already positioned on the line, so we find 90 degrees because that's what perpendicular is. Mark the point. Then simply use a straight edge to connect it up to P. So now we're going to label that, let's see, N maybe. So PN is perpendicular to WX, and I'm going to mark it with a 90-degree angle as well. So, part B, draw an 8-centimeter line segment. Label it LM. So, draw an 8-centimeter segment. That's 80 millimeters is the same as 8 centimeters. Label the endpoints, and we're going to call it LM. Draw a line perpendicular to that segment. Label it NO. So, I'll just pick a random point on here. I'm going to call it N. That's what I'm going to use to as my vertex for my 90-degree angle. So I set up point N on the crosshairs on my protractor, line up the line LM along the baseline of 0 degrees. Mark a point at 90 degrees here. That's going to be my point O. Then use a straight edge to connect NO. And I know that that's 90 degrees, so I'm going to mark it as such. Now, while picking any letter is typically okay for this, I would actually caution you to not use the letter O. Eventually, when you start working with circles, the letter O is commonly used to reference the center of a circle. Now, we don't have any circles that we're dealing with here, so it's fine to use it, but when we're dealing with geometry type stuff, the letter O is almost always the center of a circle. So that is your show you know.